Ready. And they're off. They've gone without number 4, Enduring Story. Got upset in the stalls and had to be withdrawn. So now 9 runners race away for the Always Gamble Responsibly at BetMGM. Restricted Maiden Fillies Stakes over 6. Breaking well, Calling a Star. Red colours. Quite keen is Tenzi up on the outside. The dark blue and royal blue checks now ridden by Hollie Doyle. Back to the inside, the royal blue and white of Ring of Diamonds. Then the stars of In Denial. Out wider is the market leader Lara Antipova in the pink and black. Just tracking Tenzi. Just niggled along is Angela's Bar in the green and yellow. On the inside, Safe Zone ahead of that runner in the maroon jacket with the navy blue cap, and the back duo are Nautical Sky in the light blue and pink, and finally the navy blue and white of Follow My Heart as they race past the 3. The lead is with Calling a Star and Finley Marsh. By a neck to Tenzi in second. Here's Lara Antipova trying to whip around the outside for David Egan. They turn for home. Next in the field is Ring of Diamonds still. Calling a Star the one to get to. Tenzi in the middle. Coming wide though, Lara Antipova with a run in the pink colours down for the final furlong, but Calling a Star is still the leader, and Lara Antipova's not got past, and it's Calling a Star is finding more for Finley Marsh deep inside the final furlong, and Calling a Star is away. An opening double for Richard Hughes as Calling a Star makes most to win for Finley Marsh to Lara Antipova. Tenzi back in third, and fourth was Safe Zone.